Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Today we will discuss 4 paintings of 4 modern Indian painters. They are Rama Vanquishing, The Pride of Ocean by Raja Ravi Verma, Mother and Child by Jamini Roy, Haldi Grinders by Amrita Sher-Gill, and Mother Teresa by Hussain. So let's start. Indian art during the period 1900-1925 came to be dominated by the Bengal school, but the revivalists failed to strike any permanency because of the lack of originality. They will be remembered for their effort to revive the classical Indian tradition based on epic and mythology through their paintings, but they lacked the social consciousness of the classical times of Indian history and indifferent to contemporary Indian values. Avanindranath and Nandalal Bose will be remembered as pioneer of a movement which failed. The artists after 1925 refused slavish imitation of the mannerism of the art of the past. They felt that such imitation shackled the imagination of the artists and not liberate it. Such art remained only an illustrative art unable to express the intensity of the times. Gaganendranath, though a contemporary, tried cubistic painting influenced by European Cubism. Rabindranath, in his painting, tried Expressionism. A host of other artists like Nirod Majumdar, Rathin Maitra, Gopal Ghosh, Paritosh Sen attempted a change in their outlook on art. Figurative drawing has been replaced by abstract painting, trying to search beauty in formlessness. Somnath Hor, Jyoti Bhatt, Anupam Sood brought variety in modern Indian art by their graphic prints. Rama Vanquishing, The Pride of Ocean. The artist is Raja Ravi Verma. It is done in late 19th century, medium oil on canvas. Subject matter: this painting is based on an episode of Valmiki's Ramayana. This is an episode from Valmiki's Ramayana. The theme of the painting is Rama's anger at being thwarted in building a temporary bridge over the sea to reach Lanka and bring back Sita, kidnapped by the demon king Ravana. Rama is in anger and picks up his bow, warning the sea god that he would destroy the sea unless Varuna allowed him to build the bridge. Varuna and his consorts speed forward to pacify the angry hero. There is no movement of limbs, but the waves carry them forward at a fast pace. The sea is churned into ridge-like waves with foams all around in middle ground, while nearer the shore it has become a swirling mass of milk-white foam. The rocks in the foreground stand firm in contrast to the agitated sea in their weight and texture. The painting manifests the display of light and shadow, chiaroscuro, the qualities of European style of art. This is the painting Rama Vanquishing the Pride of Ocean, done by Raja Ravi Verma. Mother and Child, artist Jamini Roy. It is done in 1930 AD, period, contemporary, modern, medium watercolor in tempera technique on paper. Subject matter: this painting depicts a mother holding her child. Description: it depicts the infinite love between a mother and her child. Jamini Roy was most influenced by the Kalighat painting, which was a style of art with bold, sweeping brush strokes, and this painting was created by this style. The painter established best conjunction among green, white, grey, and black colors and bold lines. The particularity of this painting is that it has been delineated with yellow, dark brown, white, and vermilion colors on the same surface, that is, front surface. The large eyes and the oval face radiate a physical coolness and complete peace undisturbed by any stress of modern life. Artist picks up the decorative motifs of the Katha and Alpana of Bengal. This is the picture Mother and Child, done by Jamini Roy. Haldi grinders, artist Amrita Sher-Gill. It is done in 1940 AD, period, contemporary, modern. Medium oil colors on canvas. Subject matter: the whole picture represents an actual setting of a village household. The women are sitting and grinding haldi, turmeric, in a traditional way. Amrita Sher-Gill had great empathy and fascination for rural, poor, and authentic India. She carried within her a deep sense of melancholy that found expression in the serious faces and still poses of her subjects. This painting is a very honest portrayal of a domestic Indian household. It shows women doing a very routine chore of grinding turmeric, a common spice used in every Indian cuisine. Here we see the view through 2 tree trunks that frame the main figures to bring them into focus. The 2 women sitting sideways in profile are grinding on a stone grinder that is operated manually in a traditional style. Their heads are covered and faces are dark with no emphasis on facial features. There is a young girl sitting next to them with turmeric seeds helping them out. One more head is visible at the far end of the composition, which is again veiled and obscure. These women who have surrendered to their fate and are comfortable as they are. Even the small girl is happy doing what women around her do without any different expectations from her future. The female forms are simplified and abstract in a very modern style that she brought with herself through foreign upbringing and training. The trees, especially the details of leaves, carry the influence of Rajput and Pahari miniature painting that she encountered after coming to India. Hence, this painting is an extraordinary mix of East and West. Her colors are flat and earthy with intense reds, ochres, browns, yellows, and greens, and her figures expressed a new visual reality. It also reveals the artist's sense of scientific perspective and balance of composition. This is the painting Haldi Grinders. Mother Teresa by M.F. Hussain. It is done in 1979 AD. Period contemporary. Medium oil and acrylic colors on canvas. Subject matter. This is one of the paintings from Mother Teresa series by the artist. It is a series of paintings created by M.F. Hussain. A white sari with a blue border is draped around her forehead and flows around her body like the Byzantine draperies in the Catholic churches. The darkened face of the mother is to erase the racial identity of the mother and establish her universal motherhood. On one side of the sari has given the shelter of an affectionate girl who represents the orphan homeless children. On the other side, the painter has shown a sick person laying on her lap. The right hand seems signaling them of keeping hope, solace, and endurance. He has sown green colored leaves infused in them, the nurturing of an infant and the essence of all happiness of life in affectionate lap. This is the picture of Mother Teresa done by M.F. Hussain. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put a note in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.